gonna say it was my dad. Dad, come on. All right, what are we gonna do? What? I don't know, Dad, are you gonna shoot it or not? Yeah. Get ready, Dad. I think we both shoot at it, make sure we don't miss it. You're good in the field. Get him, Dad. Good boy, Coop. Bring him here. Bring him here. Bring him here, Coop. Good boy. Good boy, Cooper. What did it do, Dad? Knock you down? Okay, hold on. That's a live bird. Get him, Coop. There you go. Get him, Cooper. Get the bird. Yeah. Hey, I'll take that. Get him, Cooper. Yeah, that'd be nice. Get him, Coop. Good boy. Dad, we're going to push right into that field over there. Good boy. Well, it's not my bird, but thank you. Drop it. Hey, leave it for sure. All right, Cooper, sit. 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 Should I send Cooper to flush him? Yeah. Cooper, go get him. Go. Go get him. Go get the bird. Come here, Coop. Coop.
Someone blasted his ass. You see it?
Coop. I'm pretty sure he's on one right now. Get ready, Dad. Get ready, I hear him. There he goes, there he goes. Nice!